Population Studies and Demography. Population studies and demography are branches of social science that explore how human populations grow, decline, and move. They help us understand not only the number of people in a region but also their age, gender, health, and social characteristics. These fields provide valuable insights into how societies develop and adapt to change. By studying population patterns, governments and organizations can plan better for education, healthcare, housing, and employment, ensuring resources are distributed fairly and efficiently. Demography, derived from the Greek words demos, meaning people, and graphy, meaning description, focuses on the statistical study of populations. It examines birth rates, death rates, life expectancy, and migration. Population studies take a broader view, linking these statistics with economic, social, and cultural factors that influence human behavior. Together, they provide a complete understanding of how people live and how their lives are shaped by their surroundings. Fertility, or the number of children born to women during their lifetime, is one of the most important aspects of population studies. High fertility rates are often found in developing countries where education and healthcare are limited, while low fertility rates are common in developed societies where people marry later and focus more on careers. When fertility rates are too high, populations can grow faster than resources allow, creating problems like food shortages and unemployment. When they are too low, societies can face aging populations and a shrinking workforce. Balancing fertility through education and awareness is key to stable growth. Mortality, or the frequency of deaths, is another essential factor. In the past, high death rates were caused by diseases, poor hygiene, and lack of medical care. Over time, better sanitation, nutrition, and medical advancements have increased life expectancy. However, challenges like pandemics, pollution, and unhealthy lifestyles continue to affect mortality patterns. Understanding mortality helps societies prepare effective healthcare systems and improve public well-being. Migration, the movement of people from one place to another, also plays a major role in shaping populations. Some people migrate for jobs or education, while others move because of wars, natural disasters, or climate change. Migration affects both the areas people leave and the ones they move to. Cities may grow rapidly, while rural areas may lose workers and skills. Migration can create opportunities through cultural exchange but may also cause social tension if resources are strained. Population studies help governments design fair migration policies and reduce inequality between regions. Population growth occurs when birth rates exceed death rates. Rapid growth can cause overcrowding, unemployment, and pressure on natural resources. On the other hand, slow or negative growth can lead to economic decline and labor shortages. Sustainable population growth means maintaining a balance between people and resources so that everyone's basic needs are met. Understanding growth patterns helps leaders make informed decisions about development, environmental protection, and social welfare. Population distribution refers to how people are spread across the world. Some areas, like cities and fertile plains, are densely populated, while deserts, mountains, and cold regions are sparsely inhabited. The way people are distributed affects access to jobs, housing, and services. Uneven population distribution can lead to urban overcrowding and rural underdevelopment. Governments use population data to plan where to build schools, hospitals, and infrastructure, ensuring more equal development. Population structure describes how a population is divided by age and gender. A young population may need more schools and employment opportunities, while an older population requires healthcare and pension systems. Population pyramids show these structures visually, helping governments prepare for future challenges. For instance, if many young people are entering the workforce, policies must focus on job creation and education. The demographic transition model explains how population growth changes as societies progress. In the first stage, both birth and death rates are high, so growth is slow. In the second stage, death rates fall due to better health and living conditions, while birth rates remain high, leading to rapid growth. In the third stage, birth rates begin to decline as education and urbanization increase. Finally, in the fourth stage, both birth and death rates are low, resulting in a stable population. This theory helps explain why developed and developing countries experience population changes at different rates. Population studies also explore the relationship between population and resources. When population growth exceeds available resources, problems like poverty, hunger, and environmental degradation arise. The economist Thomas Malthus argued that population grows faster than food supply, creating crises unless controlled. While technology has improved production, overpopulation still harms the planet through pollution, deforestation, and climate change. Sustainable development means using resources wisely so that future generations can live well too. Education, gender equality, and healthcare are key factors in managing population change. When people, especially women, are educated, they gain awareness of family planning, delay marriage, and have fewer children. Access to healthcare reduces infant mortality and increases life expectancy. These improvements create a cycle of stability, where smaller, healthier families lead to stronger communities and more balanced societies. Cultural and political influences also shape population patterns. Some cultures value large families, while others promote smaller ones. Governments often create policies to manage growth, for example, promoting family planning in overpopulated areas or encouraging childbirth in countries with low fertility. The success of these policies depends on respecting cultural values while ensuring long-term sustainability. Modern demography relies on technology to collect and analyze population data. Census surveys, satellite mapping, and computer models help track trends and forecast future changes. These tools allow policymakers to identify population needs and design solutions in real time. For example, knowing that a city's population is rapidly increasing helps authorities plan housing and transportation systems before crises occur. Today, global population studies are more important than ever. The world has surpassed 8 billion people, and every nation's population affects the planet's shared future. Population growth influences everything from climate change and food supply to migration and international relations. By understanding these patterns, countries can cooperate on global challenges and build fairer, more sustainable systems. In conclusion, population studies and demography help us see how humanity evolves. They explain how people are born, live, move, and die, and how these patterns shape societies. Understanding population dynamics helps governments and citizens make wiser decisions about the future. It reminds us that we are all part of a shared system where every change affects everyone. Managing population growth responsibly ensures that future generations inherit a balanced, sustainable, and peaceful world. If you found this explanation helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.